This video is to show you how to graph things for our average speed problems that we've been doing in class. So the first thing you're going to do is you are going to go ahead and click on the slope activity for PHET. This is going to be something that we're doing Monday and Tuesday in class, so might as well teach you guys how to use it right now. First thing I want to do is I want to set my purple numbers to 0. And what that's going to do is it's going to give me just one number, one dot to operate with so that I can find the average speed and graph it really easily. So this is a little bit easier than what we did in class. This is actually going to give you the opportunity to graph one point and then the entire line is drawn off of that one point. So long as you did your math right, that should be totally fine. So what I want to do is I want to take the average speed of one of our race cars. So I know for a fact that we had a race car go 100 centimeters in 1 second. So if I tell myself that everything on the y-axis going up and down is times 100, this will work. Everything on the x-axis is going to be a true number. So let's put it at 1 over 1. 1 up here is our distance, 1 down here is our time. So that is what that would look like. Pretty easy. Now, what you want to do next is identify those cool little lines that are hard to see that are back here. You can turn them on and off by clicking this button down here. And you want to line up these tabs on the next parts. So every 1 over 1 that I go, it should be right along this line. Then what's going to happen is I'm going to take a screenshot. And when I take my screenshot, I am going to then take that and upload it to the Schoology website and submit that particular screenshot for that problem.